Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video, we are going to discuss about how to use Paysafecard on Brawl Stars. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. Paysafecard is a prepaid voucher that allows you to make online payments without a bank account or credit card using a 16-digit PIN code. However, Supercell does not support direct Paysafecard payment in-app, so you need to redeem Paysafecard indirectly via your Google Play Store or Apple Store before using it in Brawl Stars. So simply buy a Paysafecard and make sure you get the 16-digit code. And once you go to the website, you need to create and log in your Paysafecard website. So simply now convert your Paysafecard to your Google Play credit. After you have done this, you need to redeem Google Play gift card, and then you can go and open your Brawl Stars, tap on the gem icon and choose your gem pack and complete the purchase using the Google Play balance that you have got from converting your Paysafecard. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.